Welcome to Guided Meditation Voyage. Simply sit down or lie down comfortably. Gently close your eyes, take a slow breath, and let's begin this journey together. For the next few minutes, there is nowhere else you need to be. No expectation, no pressure, just this moment. Take a slow breath in through your nose and gently let it go. Again, breathing in slowly and breathing out softly. Feel the world around you becoming quieter. Feel your body becoming still. Now, notice the space between your thoughts, that small moment of silence. That quiet space is always there, waiting for you. Take another slow breath. Inhale peace, exhale heaviness. Allow your shoulders to relax. Allow your jaw to soften. Let your hands rest naturally. Your body is beginning to feel safe. And when the body feels safe, the mind begins to slow down. Now, imagine yourself walking through a peaceful forest at sunrise. The air is cool and fresh. Golden light moves softly through the trees. Everything feels calm here. You hear birds singing in the distance, leaves gently moving in the breeze. Each step feels light, easy, peaceful. As you walk deeper into this forest, you notice a beautiful path glowing softly ahead of you. This path leads you inward, closer to yourself, closer to peace. Take another slow breath in, and as you exhale, feel yourself letting go of the outside world. Nothing from today needs your attention right now. The past can wait, tomorrow can wait. This moment is enough. Now, you arrive at a quiet lake. The water is perfectly still. So calm that it reflects the sky like a mirror. Walk toward the edge of the water. And look into the reflection. You are not seeing stress, you are not seeing fear, you are seeing your true self. Calm, present, peaceful. Take a moment to sit beside the lake. Feel the ground beneath you. Feel the cool breeze against your skin. Notice how still everything feels. Now, imagine each breath creating soft ripples across the water. As you inhale, the water glows gently. As you exhale, the ripples slowly fade away. Your mind begins to feel like this lake, still, clear, quiet. If thoughts appear, allow them to drift across the surface like floating leaves. You do not need to hold on to them. You do not need to push them away. Just let them pass. Return gently to your breath, breathing in calm, breathing out tension. Now, silently repeat these affirmations within yourself. I am grounded in this moment. I allow peace to enter my mind. I release what I cannot control. My breath guides me back to calm. I am safe here. I am enough as I am. I choose stillness. I choose peace. Feel each affirmation settling softly into your heart. Notice how your body responds, your breathing slower, your mind quieter, your heart lighter. Now imagine a warm golden light above you. This light carries peace, healing, clarity. Slowly, the light begins to surround your entire body, from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. You are wrapped in calm energy, protected, balanced, whole. Stay here for a few quiet moments, breathing slowly, feeling peaceful, feeling present. Nothing is missing from this moment. You are already here. You are already enough. Now slowly begin returning your awareness to your breath. Notice the gentle rise and fall in your chest. Notice the surface beneath you. Notice the sounds around you. Begin to feel your body again. Gently move your fingers. Slowly bring small movements back into your body. Take one final deep breath in and slowly let it go. Remember, peace is not something you find outside yourself. It already exists within you. Every breath is a path back to calm. Every moment of awareness is a step toward healing. And no matter how busy life becomes, you can always return here. Now gently open your eyes. Namaste. If this meditation brought you peace, please like this video and subscribe to Guided Meditation Voyage for more journeys of calm, mindfulness, and healing.